Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Cheers. Happy holidays. I'm about to cook. That's my first sip. I've been at work all day, but now I'm about to cook. The girls will not let me get away with not cooking. My youngest daughter even Zelda me $100 to make sure I cook. It's crazy. I'm about to bake. I'm gonna make. Let me show y'all. Tell y'all what I'm making. Hold on. I got some sweet potatoes over there steaming. Let me show y'all real quick. Let me read y'all from my phone. On my iPad. If I can open up the list. Alright. Barbecue chicken. A small tiny roast. Turkey. Some ribs. I think. Fried fish. Shrimp. I'm gonna do some deviled eggs. I've never done deviled eggs, but I'm gonna do some deviled eggs. In lieu of making potato salad. Sweet potatoes. And then I'm gonna have some greens. Green beans, Brussels sprouts, broccoli. That's 4 different greens. I might eliminate 1 or 2 of those. I don't know. For dessert, I'm going to do a German type chocolate cake, sweet potato pie, like in empanada style, and I'm sorry, apple pie, empanada style, and sweet potato pie. 2 of them. That's it. And I think I'm supposed to do some rice. And my daughter was like, there's no rice on that menu. I just got meat and veggies. I do have a double eggs, but not everybody likes eggs, so I guess I have to put some type of rice. I'll do like a yellow rice. That's it. I had a bigger menu, but I had some lobster on here, some snow crab, but not with my work schedule. I had to go to work today and I had a full day. I didn't get home till about after 6 o'clock, so I didn't have an option to. I wasn't trying to go buy some fresh lobster tails because I don't like the body of the lobster. Anyways, there will be no lobster. And I really wanted some lobster, but that can be another meal because I don't want too much of this Thanksgiving food. After like 2 days of it, I'm good. That's why I'm not making a lot of it because I don't want to have to store it, even though I'm sure I can share it with people. But anyways, I gotta go cook. I hope you guys have a great holiday.